Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Learner YouTube channel. I am Ahmed Sandhu. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Bootstrap in React.js. So first of all, we will open our Chrome, and inside Chrome, we will search for Bootstrap React. And after searching that, you will get the React Bootstrap website, and then open the React Bootstrap website. Here you see the link reactbootstrap.netlify.app, and after that click on the get started button. So there you see the command for npm, and just copy the command and open your VS Code, and inside VS Code open your React.js project in which you need to install Bootstrap. So as you see, I already opened React.js project in Visual Studio Code, and after that I will open simply terminal, and inside terminal I will paste that command. Now I will wait for about 5 to 10 seconds to install Bootstrap and React Bootstrap inside my project. Okay, so now my React Bootstrap and Bootstrap installed successfully inside my project. After that I will go again to that React Bootstrap website, and from here I will copy this link. I will copy this import and paste this import inside index.js or app.js. So I will import this inside index.js. Okay, after that I will save the file. Now we installed and enable a Bootstrap inside our project successfully. So now we will test that Bootstrap work or not properly inside our project. So for that we will simple copy a component from Bootstrap to just check. So I will copy simply a navbar. So I will copy the code and paste it inside my app.js. Okay, and also copy the imports. Okay. Now save this file, and after that run the command npm start to run your project locally on localhost. Okay, so I will run that command. Now I will wait for about 5 to 10 seconds again to run it properly and successfully on localhost. So our localhost runs successfully. Now I will open Chrome, and here you see localhost 3000. Our project runs successfully and our code runs successfully and fine. Here you see the navbar which we copied from the React Bootstrap website. Okay, so it means Bootstrap worked fine and perfect inside our React project. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to use Bootstrap inside React.js. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.